So, today we are going to create a web profile page that is totally free. You can see here your free profile for the web. It will create your profile for free on all over the internet without any cost. So, let's start. You just need to click get started now. After clicking, you can see it open the WordPress. If you already have WordPress account, you need to enter here and click continue. It will get all the filled data from WordPress. If you already have an account for WordPress, it will fetch all the data. You don't need to add it again. So I already have a created account on that website. So let's start. After the entering email, it will send a verification code on your email ID. Let's check. It's taking time. I think there is a internet problem, so we need to wait. You can see we receive a verification code from Gravitor. We just need to copy and paste it in our browser, and it's verified. Now it will fetch all the data from WordPress and show it in Gravitor. As you can see, my photo, my description, all things are fetched from WordPress profile. It provides a QR code. If you share that QR code, someone scan it, it will get your profile. That is the plus point of creator profile page. And you can see it's create a beautiful small page. As you enter the information, it will start growing and it will become a big profile page. Here you can see all the things you can do, change, add, or one more thing, you can buy a custom domain with your personal link here, and it is easy to share and easy to market and brand you in a good way. So for now, my profile URL is creator.com at /qm shehzad. I can change it, but I need to buy a custom domain. You can see tell me your custom domain free for 1 year. After 1 year, it will I need to pay that. That is the description, name, and the button that you want to add here. Some links, your verified social media accounts and interests. You can add all that from that setting. First, you can change the in design, you can change the background. You can change its solid or gradient color in background. Here you can select any color that you want to show in background. You can see here. And you or also you can upload a background image. Just need to click and select any background image that you want to show on your web page. We cancel it for now, save changes, and it will permanently change the background. You can change it anytime. Next, header. You can change the header. It will be in background of your image. You can change it, remove it. Layout. Now you can change the which one you want to show on top and which one to show on their hierarchies, like link first, then photos, then verification accounts, then interests. Yeah, at the end it's showing interest. You just drag and drop and you can see interest come from one step before. You can save changes and go back. Here you can add the buttons and links. uh, Here you can change the color of your buttons and links. Here you can check, they are showing in different colors as we select it from here. Save changes and go back. That is the part of design. Next, we can change about information. That is all description. I change it to 12 years. That is display name. Location you can change, professional companies, everything you can add. Save changes. Then you can change display picture. I already uploaded one, so I just select it and it's changed. You can add the verified account of your social media. It will show on your social media, on that profile page. User can click and see your social media profiles. As I can add the Twitter. You need to connect Twitter verification. So you can your contact information, your email, phone number. Also, if you add a option for send money, you can add any payment method. anyone can send you able to send you money. Thanks for watching.